Hi, New Grow 2019 here, and today we're back with another unboxing video. It's a very special unboxing video because we will be taking a look at the Tatu Cree COB 1000w. It's a full spectrum Cree COB plus additional various 380 to 730 nanometer LEDs to give it a full spectrum light that is equivalent to the sun. It is 200 sheer watts pulled from the wall. It's very good light already on the 1500W, and I decided to pick up the 1000W because I was so impressed with it. So let's get on with the unboxing. I bought this on Amazon. The link will be in the description. As with everything Amazon packages, we get the plastic and box within a box Amazon system. Now we have the light. Figure out how to open it. Oh, there it is. Open it up like this. Oh wow, look at how this comes. Very nice. I'll put it up so you can see through the camera. Very nice packaging. So this is going to be the hydrometer and thermometer. Yep, here it is. Hydrometer, thermometer. Every light should include this. I'm very glad that Tatu decided to include this, and considering the price of this light, even any little extra bonus would be great, but to have this is amazing. Put this aside for now. Got the power cord, of course, and we've got rope brackets. Rope ratchet, and then this is the what you hook up to the rope ratchet. This allows you to adjust your height to anything on the fly. Of course, these must be included with that. This is the light. The packaging. Now we've got the manual. And, well, Amazon gift card thing. Cool. And remove this. Now we've got the light. Wow. Very impressive. Packaged extremely well. This is probably the best packaging that I've seen on any light, even my more expensive lights, like the Spider Farms, which cost 3 times the price of this. It's not packaged as well as this. They're really taking care to make sure this gets to you without any problems whatsoever. Very impressed. Got the light itself. In this plastic, let's get a plastic. It's pretty light. 200 watt unit. Very light. You can see this is the side. This is the light. You can see right there, that's the 4 cobs, and then you can see the little there like surrounding are the various 400 to 730 LEDs. So the way that it's spread out, I'll tell you right now, it's got 2 pieces of 3K, 2 pieces of 5K. those are the two COBs. That's going to give you a full spectrum. Most lights only come with one or the other. For example, the My June King Bright lights on Alibaba will only have 3K or 5K. They won't have both. And you really want to have both. Additionally, the other LEDs spread out are two pieces of 430, and that low 430 is going to get you towards the ultraviolet range. That low blue is really good for the plants. It's got 4 pieces of 460, 2 pieces of 610, 12 pieces of 630, 24 pieces of 660, 4 pieces of 730, and then 12 pieces of 3200K, which is going to give you that full spectrum in the middle as well on the spread. And the coolest part about that is probably the 730, the near infrared. Those are going to be great benefits to your plants, 5-10% increase in yield just from those being included alone. You can see on the Amazon listing that the spectrum is a very good spectrum for lights. Okay. I'll show you at the back. On the back, you've got 2 fans and the veg and blend switch. Now, these fans are very quiet and they're going to keep the unit extremely cool relative to a quantum board. My Mars Hydro quantum board, the driver regularly hits 140 degrees Fahrenheit. My Tatu 1000w never got above 85, even at the hardest part of the light, and most of the unit was staying at 80 degrees. And the temp was a perfect 77 degrees. And I had all quantum boards in my tent. My tent was regularly hitting 85, 86 degrees, and I was struggling. I had the fans on all the time. I mean, my inline fans on all the time. It was just a mess. As for the noise from the fans, you can't hear them at all. The inline fans will make 100 times more noise than this. Even a 6-inch clip fan is louder. You really can't hear them at all. They're very well made fans, so there's not going to be a lot of noise. Yeah, that's the light. Next, I'm going to show you how to hang up the rope ratchets and get it all set up. Pretty simple. So I'll turn it over to the back here. We're going to start with these. This is going to attach to these back clips here. And then this is going to attach to the rope ratchet up here. So find all 4, separate them by 2 and 2. One's going to be at the top and one's going to be at the bottom. And you just get the clips in like so. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And that will go like that. See? Nice and stable. Next, the rope ratchet. So, the way the rope ratchet works is pretty clever actually. You hook these 2 up to this hook right here, and then this loop is what you hang it from the bar. So the bar will go through like right here, and then this loop is what holds it in place. And then to increase or decrease the height of the light, you just adjust the clip right here, and you either pull it out, and now you can see that it's much longer, so the light in this case would be closer to the plants, or you pull it in, and it makes the loop short, and then the light is further away from the plants. It's really that simple. You can change your height very, very quickly this way. So it's great that they included good rope ratchets and good system, so you don't have to worry about your light falling, and you can change it real quick. So I'll demonstrate that with the light right now. So, one clip. Two clips. And there it is. The light hanging up. And normally my thumb, where my thumb is, that's where you would have the bar. That's where you would have your bar going through. And as I said, if you want to make it longer, boom. Now it's longer, it's lower to the ground. You want to make it higher. It's a little harder to do with the one hand. You want to make it higher, you just pull it through, and boom, now it's higher. I will be putting this light into my veg tent, and I will be giving you an update on its performance in 1 week. I'm sure it's going to perform great. I already have the 1000w Cree COB in my flower tent, and you can look at the videos and see how awesome that's doing at week 4. So I have no doubts that this light is going to perform just as well in my veg tent. Okay, this is New Groove 2019, signing out. Peace.